Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And could you hear that station? It was better before. This is my third try at recording. The first one, I used the wrong keyboard and I didn't turn on record. The second one, I used the wrong microphone and you couldn't hear me. So here's the third try. This station was a little bit stronger an hour ago when I tried doing this recording. It is 9:43 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida, and I believe this is Radio Congo at 6115. I verified that frequency on short-wave.info website. This, if it's that station, it's out of Africa from Kinshasa. That's where the transmitter should be, in Kinshasa. It's on the west coast of Africa. A couple of my subscribers have told me that the shortwave conditions have been improving slightly. The solar flux index was at a 90 for a while this week. And I thought I'd try it this morning. And sure enough, I think I found a station that's at least more than 1,000 miles from me. Let's turn it back on. I believe they're playing music. Let's listen. Yeah, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. That's actually music, believe it or not. Like I say, it was not much, but it was slightly better so that I could tell it was music, and it's got a kind of a Congo beat to it. So I think that's what it is. So let's be scan the band here. I'm using my SDR Play Duo with my G5 RV antenna connected, and let's just scan some more and see what else it finds. Oh, let me start to scan over. I had jumped to that station again because it had already gone past it. So only do a stop, and then we'll do a scan and it'll start over. There's WWV, pretty big signal. I heard the female. Now let me pause that. That's out of Cuba. That station here is out of Cuba. That big signal. And what I'm doing, I'm using a EIBI database that I imported. Okay, it's a Preacher Man, WWCR. So I'm using that. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah. WWCR. Right here. Caught that edge. Let's see what that is. Strong signal, but I don't hear anything. Nope. See, it could be China Radio DRM or digital. One of those two. Don't hear anything. Big signal. Anyway, what I was going... Oh, there's something. So let me look this one up on Shortwave. Get my cursor in the right place. See, this is 6185. I looked that up before. And that is possibly out of Mexico. That's out of Mexico. I'm not sure it's any of these. So that's there. Not as far away. Yeah, it's noise. I love this scan feature of this SDR Uno and the plug-in Fran, which gives you all these station identifications on the screen here. The newest version, that's noise. Okay. The newest version of SDR Uno now has this fairly elaborate scheduler program. So you can set up schedules, different times of the day, different frequencies. For instance, if you have a favorite station that comes on at, say, 7 o'clock at night on, say, 5.99 megahertz. I'm just making up things here. You can set up that scheduler to record every day at that time frame at that frequency, and it will record the audio, or it'll record the spectrum. Well, excuse me. Okay, we're up to 9 megahertz, almost 10. So we'll let it go to 10 and see if it finds WWV. Nope, it missed it. So let's stop here. And so what I can say is, I think every day that the solar flux index is going to improve. Some days it'll go down, but it will slightly move up to a number that we're looking for, which is a number greater than 100. Solar flux number greater than 100. This past week it got up to a 90. It had been in the 70s. So that's an improvement. Now it's dropping back. I think today it's at 89. That solar flux index is one of the indicators of the propagation or reception possibility on shortwave. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be a great idea, and I would appreciate that. And have a great day. Bye-bye.